There are two ways with which you can invite somebody to become a network contact in IBM Connections. The first one is the Do You Know section, which is on the left-hand side of your network contacts. This is the IBM Connections system giving you suggestions based on your already existing network contacts as to who you may be wanting to connect with next. If you see someone here who you would like to become part of your network, simply click Invite to Connect, and you will have this pop-up appear where you can send them an invitation. The second method, if you already have somebody in mind, is to search for them via the search option here. Type in their name, select their profile, and you will see you have the button Invite to My Network, which you can click now. And the same pop-up will appear, making it possible for you to send an invitation. This invite contains certain features that you can already use as you are sending the invitation. You can include a message telling the person why you are asking them to become part of your network, if that for some reason should not already be clear. If you have some tags for the person you're inviting, you can type them in right now. For instance, and then you have this with which you can select whether you already want to follow somebody or whether you might want to wait. Following someone means you will see everything that they do within IBM Connections in your stream later on, and this is a good idea to keep up to date with everything your network is doing. So my recommendation to you is to always leave this ticked, and you can always change this at a later date if you feel that you don't actually need to follow that person. Once you are done filling this in the way you need it, click Send Invitation, and you will see Pending Invitation written next to the person that you have invited. This person will now receive a notification that you have invited them into your network, and it is up to them to accept or decline the offer. If you get invited into somebody else's network, you also get a notification from which you can accept or decline as you see fit.